This video is going to show you how to add EdPuzzle to your Google login and your Google Drive. So when you go over here, you can see more tools. It's going to be an extension. In order to get that extension, we have to go to the Chrome store. And I never remember it, chrome.google.com. I always forget. So just type in Chrome Web Store. So it's going to take you here. What you want to do is type in EdPuzzle and search for it. And that's the first one. So it has the little, looks like a puzzle piece. It kind of looks like cheese to me as well, but you're going to add it to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and there you go. So it's going to show up here. I have a bunch of different extensions just up there, but it's not really going to matter that it's up there. What is going to happen is for example, I'm using this video for the sports medicine. I'm going to edit it for a demonstration on credible sources and non-credible sources. So my edit with EdPuzzle has shown up here. If yours hasn't, all you need to do is click refresh, and let me pause that video there, and then it will show up. So this will show up in all of your videos. So any video, if I was going to look at any of these other videos in the playlist for sports medicine, it's going to show up here. And then what you do next is you click Edit with EdPuzzle, and it's going to ask you before it pops in here to log in. And give me a second, actually. I'll pause the video for a second and logged out. So when you first do it, it's going to ask you, it says welcome back teacher, because I do have an account. So you're going to be prompted to create an account. You're going to create a student account and just log in with your Google so it's all connected and you won't have to remember another password. So it'll be all connected through your Google. So I'm just doing my school Google, and there you have it. That is my EdPuzzle. So the next video, I will show you how you can trim the video, how you can add comments, but that is a really simple way to add EdPuzzle, and it will show up in an easy way to delete it if you want to delete it later. Is again, like I showed you, you just go to the more tools and you go to your extensions, and all you have to do is remove it. So pretty easy. There you have it.